for a group of people just showing up on your property and planting 600 trees in one day is pretty impressive to me.
PHLY80KTrees is a partnership between Philadelphia insurance companies and the Arbor Day Foundation with the purpose of planting approximately 80,000 trees a year in areas of the country in need of reforestation.
The Arbor Day Foundation is making connections between our partners like Friends of the Rappahannock, who have boots on the ground, who know this watershed and all of its needs for the environment, with the volunteer power and funding of groups like Philadelphia Insurance to make sure that these trees are getting planted where they're needed most.
We are digging holes, planting saplings, putting protective chutes over them, pounding stakes and putting bird cages over top so that the trees have the most degree of success of thriving.
This land was used as cropland in the past, but now with the new landowners, you have Jody, who moved here from Louisiana, and his son, who's been here in Virginia for a bit. They're looking to have this as a legacy for their family. So they're transitioning from the ag side of things to try to reforest here.
Trees know no boundaries. They don't know if they are on someone's property, in a state forest, or in a national forest. They hold the same value no matter where they are. These trees are going to have a massive impact on water quality in this Chesapeake Bay watershed.
We work in 18 counties in Virginia. We're so glad that the Arbor Day Foundation helped bring partners like Philadelphia Insurance to invest here in Virginia. And even better, they brought Philadelphia's team physically to Virginia to share this day and the success with us.
I have to say, out of all the plantings I've done so far, this has been the most in 2 days, so the group has done a wonderful job.
I think this really just exemplifies Team Philly. We've got people from across the country coming together to make a difference somewhere.
We give back because volunteering is so important to Philly, and that really sets us apart, I think, from other companies.
The culture is very solidly a give-back culture, and I think that the people who are drawn to Philly, such as myself, are people who do enjoy giving back. It's a genuine thing that we're all here wanting to achieve a greater goal.
Well, look at the row, it's so incredible. I can't believe how far we've gone. All right, next.
When you're going through it and you're in the labor of it, you don't realize how much you actually accomplished. And then here on day 2, as we're going to walk away, take a step back and see the totality of what we've done. It's really fulfilling.
My little grandson, Jackson, planted the first tree, and it's going to be very exciting to see a 2.5-year-old at some point in the future looking at these huge trees. And I may not live long enough to see all these trees grow up, but I know my grandson, he'll grow up and one day this will be his place, and that's really what it's all about.